Today we're going to a waterfall and it's going to be awesome. We don't know where it is. We're having lunch there and we're going to swim and it's going to be delightful. What's happening, Angela?
Getting ready to walk either 30 minutes or an hour and a half or 3 hours up to a waterfall. So I'm in a really freaking cold waterfall.
Can't wait.
We're told it's going to be very peligrosa, very dangerous.
Oh boy.
Dangerous water.
Many chupacabras and anacondas.
Wait. Oh no. I stepped in the mud with my sandals and that's not very helpful. Because it makes it super slippery, so I took my sandals off and stepped in more mud.
Turn around and show us your feet. Beautiful.
Out of the mud. And they're better than Nike shots. We're trying up this mountain. So, thanks God for natural shoes. Jen is riding a horse in Honduras.
I'm glad you're...
Now I'm with my friends, still in the forest. You're probably watching this from your computer. We're going to a waterfall. Take a look around us. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh wow. Yeah. Wow. We are in the middle of the forest right now. If you look around me, this is what I see. Trying to get to a waterfall. Oh, I can hear it and I can kind of see it. This is gonna be amazing. Waterfall through the trees. We're almost there. We're getting close. Oh, that's nice and cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. I think it's beautiful. We're here at a waterfall.